Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition. Practice with me. We're still working in the Standard of Excellence Book 1, and today we're on page 31, and I'm your sax teacher, Reesa. All right, so the first thing we're looking at today is a duet. All right, and then we're going to be talking a little bit about some tempo stuff as well, so we'll talk about it as we kind of get there. All right, so let's take a look at this duet. All right, so just taking a look as a whole, okay, we can see the key signatures are the same, which generally they are when you're having the same instrument. So what is our key signature? It's G. Okay, we got the 1 sharp, F sharp. And tell me about our time signature. 4/4. The time signatures will be the same too when you're also in a duet. Okay, so then let's take a look at our dynamics. Both starting off with mezzo forte, then we're both going to get louder there on that top line. Then we're going to be mezzo forte, we're going to get softer back down to mezzo piano. We're going to gradually get louder to mezzo forte, and then decrescendo back down to mezzo piano, so kind of quiet. And then we're going to decrescendo down to piano. So we're going to end quietly. Okay. And then taking a look at our tempo, what tempo were we in? Andante. And now something we're learning is ritardando. And you'll see it marked in different ways. Sometimes it's fully written out, sometimes it's retard, or sometimes it's RIT. It means to gradually get slower. So in this piece, when you look at the last two measures, it has RIT dot and then a bunch of dashes. That means for those two measures, we're going to slow it down. So what we would do is watch the conductor and they would slow it down. And if you're in a duet without a conductor, you'll watch, it's normally part 1 who takes the lead, but not always. So whoever is taking the lead, you'll kind of just watch for them. You know, we make these little motions like this. So you'll watch for that. So that's what you'll do, kind of watch the music, kind of watch the screen, because we're going to have to practice those. Okay? So right now, let's both take a look at part A, okay? So looking at our rhythms, nothing too complicated. We don't have any accidentals, okay? Don't have any difficult notes or new notes, so this should be all right. All right, let's give this a try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. I forgot to mention the fermata at the end. So since you're kind of looking, I'm going to just do a couple beats like this to show the slowdown. And I'm going to do this kind of a motion to cut us off. Okay? All right, let's do it one more time before looking at part 2 or part B. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay. So now let's take a look at part B. Got the same key signature, same time signature. Now when we're looking at our rhythms, we can see that our rhythms are not the same. Okay, so that means we have to be really confident in what we're playing. All right, so let's just play it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. We kind of need a lot of air for that ending, huh? You never know sometimes what the director or what your partner's gonna do. They can hold that out forever if they wanted. All right, let's play the bottom part one more time and then let's do it as a duet. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. And I just thought of something. With this ritardando on this piece, not really a big deal because we're all just hanging out on the same note. So if it was just you were looking for the cutoff, that would work. But sometimes the ritardando is on like eighth notes, quarter notes with different tones. So it's still important to know, even though in this section it's just whole notes. Okay, let's go ahead and do this as a duet. How about you do part A, I'll do part B. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's swap parts this time. You play part B, I'll play part A. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's take a look at the next exercise. We have 136, Grandfather's Whiskers. Okay, so, draw on the breath marks. Oh, I think we were supposed to draw on the breath marks to do the duet. Oh, well, too late now. Okay, so looking at this, our key signature has changed. What is it now? It's D. We have two sharps, F sharp, C sharp. Tell me about our time signature. We're now in 2/4. 1, 2, 1, 2. We also have a pickup note. So when I do our count off, I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, play. Okay? We also have a repeat in here. Where does that repeat take us to? Takes us to pretty much the same as the beginning. We just don't have that pickup note. We also have the first and second ending. Tell me the difference between the two. First ending, we play a note, so it's going to go D to A. Second ending, we're going to play D. We're going to say the word hey, okay? And a lot of eighth note action in here. We have a couple dotted quarters going into the eighth. So, and this is all tonguing, so lots of tongue action. All right, let's give this a try though, shall we? Remember the pickup. 1, 2, 1. Did you say the hey? I hope you did. And did you catch those C sharps? If you forgot about them, take your pencil, write them in. All right, let's do it again though, shall we? All right, ready? 1, 2, 1. Hey! So fun. All right, let's do it one more time for good luck though. 1, 2, 1. All right, excellent job. Okay, let's take a look at our last exercise of the day, Twinkle Variation by Mozart. Okay, so first, let's take a look at our key signature. What is it? It's in G. We have 1 sharp, F sharp. And tell me about our time signature. 4, 4. So the regular Twinkle version is on the top line there, okay? Okay, so now what we're going to do is create our own version of that, and we're going to kind of play them together. So you're going to want to take your pencil out, and we're going to write in your own type of variation. So I mean, you want to keep it to where you still know that it is Twinkle Twinkle, but like you can change up the rhythm, maybe add in a couple notes. So let's see what we can come up with. Okay, I have mine. So how about this? This round, we're both going to play that top line, okay? And then I'll play what I have. You take a seat and you just kind of listen to my version. And then we'll hear yours. Okay, but play the top line with me. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Okay, now let's hear what you have. So we'll both play that top part, and then I'm going to listen to what you play. I wish I could listen for real, but I guess we'll act like it. So play your part now this time. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! How did it sound? Did it sound like it was still Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Just a little cooler? Great, let's do that one more time. Play your part still. I'll still play with you for the top part, then play your part for the bottom. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, that was great. All right, well, that kind of concludes for us today. If you have any questions or comments about the saxophone, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and notify so you don't miss any of our practices. Thanks for joining, and until next time.